Hello everybody, welcome to April's Books. I'm April and today welcome to another Scratch tutorial. And my favorite time of the week because it's Scratch tutorials time. So I'm going to teach you how to make this simple game. Cat and mouse. The cat is to catch the mouse in 1 minute. So I taught my sister how to make this. So let's get started. So we'll use this cat for example. So we'll do with a flag clicked. Forever. Go to. So how about let's try. Yep, this is what I want. So let's do next costume. So this is yep, this is good. So cat. So we'll add another sprite. So for the object we're going to chase, we'll do when flag clicked. Forever. Got 1 second round position. If touching cat, then we'll make a variable. So we'll name it score. Okay. So change score by 1 word. So it moves too fast. But it's kind of glitchy, so we're going to do this instead. Go to this thing, but we'll go to sensing and mouse X, mouse Y. So why the legs? This is so good. Let's do this. So So we're going to make the timer. Clean up blocks. Clean up blocks. Nice and tidy, yes. So I will do with flat clicked forever. So we'll make a new variable called timer. Okay. So then drag it over here. And we'll do this. Change timer. Set this to 60. So we'll do -1. So we'll do wait 1 second. So let's test it out. But we have this little bug here. So so you see -71. So we'll go operators and grab this block right here. What minus what? So drag timer over here inside, and then minus 1. So oh, it's good. It's timer. Ooh. Got this glitch here. So wait a minute. Okay, so I found this glitchy thing here. So put the forever loop away. Repeat 10. And say new stop. So let's try this. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. So we'll do the tower. So this just goes in the loop. Hey. So yeah, that's the whole point of the game. Yay! Oof. So I'm gonna draw back. Okay, this is the whole point of the game. 3, 4, 5. So this is the end of my video. My storytelling videos have a lot of views instead of my scratch videos. So I want to let you know Scratch because I love Scratch. I want you to. Scratch is completely free, and you don't have to worry about things. It helps you achieve your dreams and makes you do your best. Yeah. So this is the end of the whole video, and good night, bye.